Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the spiral text effect. I'm just going to add in the text real quick. And I'm going to just type spiraling. You can type anything you want, obviously. And I'm also going to change the font. You can also change the font colors if you'd like to. I'm going to maybe change this color into like a yellow. I can't even see that. Let's do orange actually. And this one, I'm going to color it purple. Right click, create, right click, create outlines. Then you're going to go to brushes. So if you can't find it, just go to window, brushes, and you're going to add that in there. Select pattern brush and select OK, and select OK again. You are just going to want to delete it. And then select the ellipse tool and create a circle. There we go. And then I'm just going to select this as the outline. Go to effect, go to distort and transform, and select transform. 85% on this, and also 85% on this one. And you're going to want to set the angle at 8. Then you're going to select copies, and you can select how many ever copies you want. You can kind of move it like this if you'd like to. But that's pretty much it really. You can even scale it down again if it's too big. I'm just going to try 75% instead of 85. Whoa. Like this, and press OK. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.